targeter here, and today I am... Oh, what did I do? How do I stop this? Stop this madness. No. Okay. And today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to Photoshop. So today, what I'm doing is... So I have this picture which I made by myself. I didn't copy it from a website or anything. Well, originally it actually had a person there, and it said, language professors hate him, and all this stuff right here. This stuff, which I'm circling my mouse around, that wasn't there before. I added just a block there. But then I added this background onto here, and now I have this little template to make my own blank hate him. And I already made this one for people in Civil Air Patrol. Drill instructors hate him. So today I'm going to be... Is my mic down? Okay. Today I am going to be teaching you guys how to Photoshop using GIMP, because I don't like Photoshop. So, and also Adobe Photoshop costs some money, and I don't have that kind of money. How much zoom do I want? This big? Yeah, this big is good. So first off, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be moving Mr. Hendren's face onto the little box right there. So the first thing we have to do is make sure that it's transparent. And what we're going to do first off, let's zoom in 300. We're going to go to right-click, go to Layer, Transparency, click Add Alpha Channel. And then you want to select the lasso tool. F was the... Why F? It should be L. Anyway, F is the lasso tool. And what we want to do is we want to make everything... We want to delete everything except for Mr. Hendren. So we're going to click right there. Just basically select everything that's in the background of Mr. Hendren. So yeah, try not to cut his ear off. Then hair's kind of like a free zone, because if you accidentally cut his hair, no big deal. I mean, barbers do that all the time. Plus, it kind of looks nicer if you cut off all that extra fuzzy stuff just flying around. But yeah, try not to cut the ears. That's kind of a biggie. And also for the ears, you kind of want to pay special attention, because you don't want any of the background staying, but at the same time you don't want to be chopping off his ear, because those things become real obvious. So yeah, we're at the neck, we go down. Let's keep his suit in the picture, because that would look pretty nice in the picture. And yeah, so basically we have a line. Let me zoom out a little bit. So basically right now we have a line going from here all over his head. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click right up here at the top right. Then we're going to click at the top left outside of the image. Then we're going to click back down here and connect it all together. Then press the magical button delete. And now you can see that everything behind him is checkered, and that means that it's transparent. Now the sizing of the box, let me check. I think it was like 32 by... Oh no, 100 by 100, basically. Okay, so we have to change... First off, we have to figure out how we want our box. So it's 100 by 100, which means... Actually 100 by 98. So maybe we should make it... Because the thing is, side to side, it isn't that much of a biggie, but the thing I'm worried about is his shoulders being cut off. Okay, first thing we'll try to change the image so that it's, let's say 90 pixels tall. So what we're going to do is we're going to right-click, we're going to go to Image, we're going to go to Transform, oh no, not Transform, Scale Image. And then image height, make sure this chain thing is staying together, and make sure you're also on pixels, not percent or inches or anything like that. Now, we want to change the height to 90 pixels, and see it automatically changes the width. If it's not changing the width, then you have a problem. Click Scale. Now you have your beautiful picture of Mr. Hendren. then we can go into here, and there's already a problem. He's too tiny. Yeah, plus his shoulders are still cut off. So let's try that again, and let's try a bigger size. Now, yeah, Control-Z, magic button. I don't know how big this thing is, like, because what I want to do is cut it off, but okay, it's 30. The height between the top of his head and the top of the picture is 30. So essentially, let's see, how tall is this? Okay, so from the bottom to the top of his head is 197. Now let's just add a few more pixels. So let's make it 205 from here to here. I'm talking about height. Now, let's see. So 205 changing to 105. Oh, that's simple math. Okay. So now instead of doing pixels, I'm going to use percent because I've already done algebra 2. Not algebra 2, geometry. And I'm tired of I'm too lazy to calculate how many pixels I need. So I'm doing percent instead. I'm making it 50-50. So basically making everything in half. So yeah, 50% of how big it was. Now we're gonna Control-A, Control-C, go in here, Control-V, and it's 1 pixel too tall. Okay, let's try 45%. Yeah, so let's make this picture 45% as big as the original. Scale image, change the height, or it doesn't matter which one because it's locked. But there we go. A slightly smaller picture of Mr. Hendren. Now, I think it's okay, yeah. And then, the thing that's bothering me right now is that, you can't see his shoulders. So maybe what we can do is, let me see. So, add a fake shoulder, maybe? Add that to make... He's going to have really big shoulders once I'm done with this. But yeah, do that. And then do the same on the other side. And there we go. What I'm doing is I'm making a box around these pixels I want to copy, and then I'm doing Control-V to paste them. So then Control-Copy, Control-V, Control-V. Yeah. Oh, thank you, Mammy. I don't want... Maybe later. Yeah. Okay, and same thing where you just want to do Control-Copy and Control-V. Basically fill in the spaces. Oh no, I forgot to do Control-Copy. Alright. Too big. Copy that. Paste it there. It's basically like going back to preschool and learning cutting and pasting. Control-Copy, Control-V. Then for that little spot over there, Control-Copy, Control-V, Control-Copy, Control-V. And there we go. Now it looks like he has a big suit now. So then, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to save this picture. And generally, okay, so first we're going to export it because the next thing I want to do is I want to add all the words at the top and right here. But I can't do that in GIMP because GIMP is annoying sometimes when you try to add words. Instead, I'm going to be using Microsoft Paint, which is very simple, but really simple at the same time. What's the word I'm looking for? It's simple, yet it's... Okay, I'm just going to say childish. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to File, and we're going to go to Export As, to export it as a .png document. And yeah, let's change this to Financial Advisors And there we go. Yeah, don't worry about this stuff. It really doesn't change that much, in my opinion at least. And voila, here we have it on our desktop. I'm going to move that over here. Now, for now, you can just close everything. No need to, don't bother changing anything. Just do discard changes because you're just going to delete them when you're done. That one I don't need anymore. What's this? Oh yeah, just looking for the picture. And then, where are we? Here we go. Edit. Now, for the top, I'm going to use 20-point font in Times New Roman. So I have Times New Roman 6. Let's change that to 20. And oh, let me move that. Financial advisors and just looking at something. Okay. Financial advisors. Let me just make sure it's centered. Oh no, I messed up. Okay. Financial advisors. Okay, make sure it's centered. And what you want to do whenever you're using Microsoft Paint and you're typing something is you want to make sure there's space between the last letter and the box because sometimes it moves. So yeah, there we go, financial advisors. Now we're going to go right here. We're going to go into probably 9-point font. And first we're just going to customize the box, make sure we have it in the exact space that we want it in. And then, yeah. Okay. Okay. So, what should I write? Find out how to beat the stock market with this simple, easy trick. Hang on, what did the original say? The original said, doctor's discovery revealed the secret. Okay. Let's try to stay true to the original. So, teacher's discovery revealed the secret to beating the stock market. And becoming rich. And becoming rich. Okay, watch this shocking video. Okay. Watch this shocking video to discover how you can earn money. Hang on. Does it say simple easy trick like the other ones? Watch this shocking video and discover how you can rapidly learn any language in just 10 days. Free from the computer, free from memorization. Okay, yeah. So I think it's just like, watch this shocking video to discover how you can earn money. How you can earn money by how you can earn money by using his specially designed, by using his sophisticated spreadsheet document designed to help you manage your stocks. Okay, and then they'll set that up for free. Okay, so now we have finished our typing for today. what you want to do is you want to do Control A, Control C, just in case it messes up. It does that quite a bit. And yeah, let me move this out a little bit, just to make sure. And once you're done typing, you click somewhere off of the typing box, and voila, we did it. Now, that's basically the end of the video. If you have any more questions on things you'd like me to do tutorials on, or you have any questions about Photoshopping, GIMP, or Microsoft Paint in general, feel free to leave a comment at the bottom of this video. Thank you for watching. Oopsies.